Miss Annabella. Can I make a better effort than that? Come on. Come on, get this. Oh, you made it. Huh? I'm going to show them how you sit up. Hey, I'm going to show them how you sit up. Come here. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Now you can play with it while you sit up. Yeah, that's easier. Put it back on. Put it back on. Oh. Try. Nearly. Oh, good girl. Oh, nearly. Alright, let's say goodbye.